Welcome back to BetterAvecBourbon. Today we're making a delicious, very fun cocktail, Mint Blackberry Bourbon Bramble. The original Bramble uses gin as a base and does not include mint. This bourbon riff is a favorite of mine as it combines the whiskey smash with the blackberry whiskey sour, offering the best of both. For ingredients, you'll need 100 proof bourbon or a low rye whiskey. I like the Knob Creek 9, but I'm sure your favorite craft whiskey will be just as nice. Fresh lemon juice, rich simple syrup, which has a ratio of 2 parts sugar to 1 part water, blackberry jam, and optionally mint, but I think mint helps to balance things out and creates a beautiful finish. Gather all of your ingredients and let's get to it. Starting off, grab your bar mat, shaker tin, and add 6 to 10 mint leaves. Mine are massive, so 6 is plenty. Then you'll want your blackberry jam. You can use fresh ingredients, but jam makes things pretty easy and less wasteful. Measure and add a half tablespoon or a 1/4 ounce. Seal up your jam and put it back. Then get your jigger and measure a 1/2 ounce of your rich simple syrup. Three-quarter ounce of lemon juice. And lastly, 2 ounces of 100 proof bourbon or low rye whiskey. Add a scoop of ice, seal it up, and shake well for about 15 seconds to make sure your mint and jam are well incorporated. Get a rocks or double rocks glass, add a scoop of ice, and then fine mesh strain your cocktail into your glass. Love the bold maroon color. Top with ice if you've got a bit of space. Garnish with a mint sprig. Make sure it's nice and tucked in so it doesn't fall out when you go to drink it. And there you have a minty blackberry bourbon bramble. Just making sure the mint doesn't fall out before I have a taste. The mint makes for a bright sip with the help of lemon juice, and despite the sweetness from the jam and the rich simple syrup. And the Knob Creek brings a bit of spice, toffee, and a bit of an orange peel tang. A fantastic combination and a beautiful texture. Thanks everyone for watching. Do you have a favorite bramble recipe or riff? Let me know in the comments down below. If you enjoyed this video and you want to see more like it, hit that like button, press subscribe, and I'll see you next time. Cheers.